Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and today we're gonna take some product photography. And I have my thing set up already. My Sony A6000. I got a flash just above shooting through here. You can see there. I got the triggers. The flash is the power on the flash is 132 of a second. I'm shooting manual focus also. Shooting the shutter speed is 1/125th of a second, f8, ISO 1660, wireless remote control. And what we're shooting is, I went to the store and bought some product and want to make it, to practice and make this look nice and something I can teach you so you can learn and practice at home. And let's see how this shoot looks and goes on. This is something very simple and easy you can do and try. So let's hit the first picture, and there goes the flash. Let's look at the picture. The first picture. Ooh, very nice, very good, clean focus. Also, I got my macro lens. This beautiful macro lens is that I bought. Is very nice. It's connected to my Sony A6000. Now I'm gonna switch and do different ways, different picture, different style with the same product, and I'm gonna be showing and sharing with ya. Please stay tuned, subscribe, leave your comment, put thumbs up, please, and yeah, like I was saying, something simple, easy. All it took is umbrella, flash, my Sony camera, triggers, foam board, glass, and dollar Prada, and another foam in the back, foam board in the back, white, and you're gonna see the result. Here you can see I switched the Prada. I bought a couple of them, so I switched them to give it another different look. And we shooting in the same setting, manual focus, like I said. F8, ISO 160, shutter speed 1/25th of a second, and here it goes. When I hit the remote control, that way you hear the beeping sound. That way. When the flash trigger, with the camera trigger, it don't have no shake in the final product shot. So yeah, like you can see, it looks good. I'm gonna back up a little bit because you can see that picture is a little bit too close, so I'm gonna bring this back a little bit, give that a little more room. You can see now I'm gonna manual focus again, because since I move, you always gotta focus when you take the shot. You always gotta focus, refocus again. Now I think that's good, and now we're gonna take the second shot, and oops, there you go again, and let's look at that shot. Beautiful, just like I like it, and we're gonna keep on experimenting and trying out stuff, and let's see where that gonna lead us. So I just finished shooting like that. Now I'm gonna switch now I'm just gonna focus again, because once you manual focus, sorry about that, once you manual focus and you move everything, it's not focused no more, because you move the where you had it focused at. So now I'm gonna move it again and do that thing. We have the same setting, the same things, and I'm just gonna take another picture. Same way the flash it is. Boom, that's a good picture. Now I like that. Can be improved a little bit. I'm just gonna bring this out a little bit like this. Bring it out a little bit like this. And I think that makes a better picture. And let's see if I was right. Yep, it do. It makes a better picture. That's a good picture. I'm gonna keep on trying and doing different stuff. I'm just gonna put that the final product, or you're gonna see the final edit and everything, the picture. I'm gonna show them as they are, and then at the end of the video, you're gonna see them how when I touch them, retouch them in Lightroom and Photoshop. You're gonna see them how we going on. You're gonna see them how they are being shot with no edit, no nothing.